So when teaching any topic in Te Reo, you need to start with some input. So input is the way that you are going to introduce the kupu. So are you going to have pictures? Are you going to have a waiata? Are you going to have a book? So in this one we've got these pictures and we're going to introduce them. That's step one. Step two is matching. So the tamariki can match the correct word with the correct thing, and these always also come blank. The third thing we've got is a word search. So for the older tamariki, they can fill in the bottom and they can find the kupu. With this resource comes the shout outs or the questions that you ask. So he pai kia koe te, ai he pai kia au te, kao, kore au I te rata ki te. So those are handy. You could put those on some display board or where you're displaying all your items of kai with your peka. This one is the next stage. So now you draw and label other ingredients you would like in your peka. So he pai kia au te. So you draw the other things that you like and then find the Maori name for them.